So what's up guys? I would just like to say thank you for purchasing my underwater presets. This will be a quick tutorial on how to edit underwater videos using Lumafusion. As you've seen guys, this is my timeline. So I'll be showing to you guys how to edit it quickly as possible. I'm gonna show it on the screen, the proper or the settings that I've used for my GoPro. We'll be editing different clips that I've shot. I think this was shot using my GoPro Hero 10. So we're gonna be using different clips just so I could show to you guys that my presets work not just by this clips, but it works on different clips that I've shot. I'll remind you that you have to consider the visibility, the lighting, the time, when will you be shooting, and the settings that you have to use when shooting underwater. So the reason why I'm using native white balance is that GoPro sucks when it comes to doing white balance. You have to do it manually or in post-production. For this shot, I use underwater malboal sardines. But for this, let's try using maybe underwater sawang. So as you can see here, I've numbered my presets from 1 to 12. So this will be the presets that I'll be releasing. Take note guys, some presets might work, some presets might not work on your video because as you go down, color disappear, especially the bright ones. So yeah, let's try maybe this. I know it doesn't look nice here, but maybe we can try adjusting a little bit. So I'm gonna add an original layer. I'm gonna place it up top. Maybe as you can see here on the video scope, the red is quite high. Maybe we can subtract it just like that. Maybe place some blue. As you can see, our color has already changed. Let's add some contrast. Just play with the sliders, guys. That technique here is just play with the levels, brightness, contrast, saturation, vibrance. I think all of this you can just play with it. So your video is gonna look like this. But yeah, the red is quite high. Maybe we can adjust a little bit. And I think this is already good. So your video just went from this to this. That saves time. So let's try another one. Maybe not this one. Let's try this one. Maybe this. Add an original layer. I'm just gonna add an original layer ahead. This is my favorite LUT. Um, the underwater Dumanhog. Where is it? Dumanhog. This one. I know it looks bad. Maybe it's quite the dominant color here is blue and green, but maybe we can add some red. Let's see if it improves. uh, play with some play with the sliders. Maybe play with the blue or yellow. Then I'm just gonna add another layer, and you have that. From this to this. Let's try this one. Maybe if you're tired of color grading, we'll just add a preset. We can just try this. Maybe underwater tilapus works best for this. Let's just um, maybe play with the vibrance. Look at that skin color. From without skin color to this. Maybe I'm just gonna add another original layer, play with the levels, just so we could get that contrast. And you have that. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. You can also, let's just try this one. I'm just gonna paste what I edited. Adjust a little bit of red maybe. And you have that. See the difference, guys? It's a good preset, I tell you. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me on my Instagram or at Geneva Lace. I think that would be all, guys.